going to come back on the narration, keep telling you about Boston. Now we are cruising past East Boston now. That's what you see off to our right. And you'll notice that over here there are some piers that are not looking so good. This large wooden one, for instance, is literally rotting away into the harbor, little by little. And it's from a bygone era. The golden age of sail lasted from the late 1700s up until the mid 1800s. And of course it looked very different at that time. There would have been buildings on top of the piers, also trains running right down the middle, and then all the ships on every single side. So if you can imagine what it was like, all those people pulling cargo from the ships into the buildings, onto the trains, then you can imagine what Boston was like during that golden age of sail. Now again, this next pier, also not being used a lot, although you can at least park on it, which is something. Still, you'll notice that there is some development beginning over here more recently than over in South Boston. And really, this is happening because of the cleanup of the harbor.